Hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So in this video series we are going to start a new series known as the Project Idea series videos in Android. So there we are starting a project series named as the Android project demonstration video. So in this series we are going to learn about all the steps of project ideas that we are thinking in our college time. So what the project ideas is basically in Android. So we are going to demonstrate some project ideas in these videos. So let's move forward. So what is the agenda of this video? What are the project idea services videos? What is this importance? What is its benefits? What are the potential topics and the formats we are going to use in this series? Okay, so let's move. So basically, what are the project idea series videos? Basically, what project idea series videos are? So project idea series videos are the short, informative, and engaging videos that presents the various ideas across the different domains. So if you have a lot of domains like AI, machine learning, or any of the things, so a back end, front end, so we can also do it in Android. So what is the purpose is basically to inspire the creativity and the innovation by the providing the viewers to the wide range of the project idea. So basically in this you can get the lot of the project ideas in Android. So you can inspire by the creativity and the innovating ideas that you can get in the this video series. What are the characteristics? The characteristics basically concise and visual appealing. So basically all the project idea will be concise and you can you can visualize the your imagination to implementation of the project ideas and the clear presentation of idea. Like in this series you are going to see a clear presentation of the all the ideas that we are implementing in our college time or in our basic any of the Android courses, practical examples. And the third thing about the demonstrative and the practical. So we are going to demonstrate all the ideas that we have implementing. We have some projects, we have some basic features on the Android code labs or any of the other websites that we are going to be used. So we can just do the practical as well, like how basic idea is going to be work, how we have some project as well we are going to show you in this series. So moving to the what are the importance and benefits of this series. So basically what are the importance? Simulate the creativity and the problem solving skills by using this when you following this video series you are going simulate your creativity and increase your problem solving skills. So encourage your exploration in the diverse topic. You can encourage your exploration in the diversity of topics. There is a vast amount of topics we are going to cover in this, so you can explore it as well. Foster culture and innovation and entrepreneurship. If you wanted to do entrepreneurship and you have a lot of idea, so you can also take these ideas and move through your innovation to entrepreneurship. What are the benefits here? Empower the viewers to pursue their passion. And so if you have a passion in Android or in app development, we are empowering you to just maintain your passion and just so enhance the learning skills and development. As I say in the importance, you can also enhance the learning and the skill development in Android apps and providing the opportunities for the collaboration and networking. So and the main important benefit of this series is that you have the opportunities to collaborate with us and we can just help you in your development field and in any assignment thing or any of the college assignments or any of the course assignment. And we have also tried to do a network with us at the end of this series. We are also provide you all the details to you whom you can contact with us. So like potential topics and formats, like the some topics we are going to cover in this video series is technology, science, sustainability and environmental project, education and learning initiative. So and what are the format we are going to follow is basically how to guides or tutorials. So how to we are going to show some tutorials as well. We are going to showcase and demonstration video, like we have some developed project as well we are going to show you here. So expert interviews and insights, like if you have any doubt you can just connect with us and contact at the Codersarts. We are going to help you according to the some paid sessions, some help you can get from through us as well. Collaborating project and challenges. So if you have any idea you want to develop a project for your final year project or any other project, you can just you can connect with us and we are able to help you with this. So thanks you everyone. So let's start with this series and with lot of the ideas. So I hope you will enjoy it. And if you have any ideas or if you want any help in Android development, you can just contact with the codersarts.com and just email us. We will definitely get back to you. Thank you. Thank you so much.